Welcome to the How to Create a Windrose Dedicated Server video. The quickest way to do this is to go to StartServerForeground.bat and order a server. You can do that by selecting Order Now, selecting your server, filling out a username and password, then selecting the amount of servers you'd like to order, the location you'd like to order, the amount of slots you'd like to order, and your billing cycle. If you order now, you can take advantage of our Set Sale coupon code for 25% off all new servers. Once you've ordered a server, you'll find it in your control panel. In your control panel, you will find in the top right-hand corner your invite code. You will use this to connect to your server once in game. You'll also find the server config button. This button will allow you to edit all of your server settings directly from the website without needing to go into the server's files. Once you're done, click Save Configuration and start enjoying your server. To host a server on your own machine, you'll need to open your Steam library. Click on the Tools checkbox, then type in Windrose. You'll see the Windrose Dedicated Server tool. You'll select it, click Install, and then select where you want to install it. Depending on your internet speed, the download times will vary. Once your download is finished, right-click and click Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. This will bring up where the server is installed on your computer. You'll then want to run the server at least once to generate all the necessary files. You'll do this by clicking on the StartServerForeground.bat file. Once the server has been up and running for a few minutes, you can click Ctrl-C to close the window. Once the server is finished running, go into the RS folder and then open the server.description.json file. This is how you're going to edit a lot of your server settings, such as password, server name, player count. And you're also going to find your invite code in this file. Here you can see I'm setting the server name to Hello World, as well as setting the password to Change Me. And then I'm making sure to toggle the Is Password Protected to True to indicate the server is password protected. I'm also adjusting the player count and being sure to save the file when I'm done with all of my changes. The next file is going to be the world description.json. You can find this inside your default worlds file and then in your save world. Here you'll be able to edit various parameters such as mob health, mob damage, ship health, boarding difficulty, and various other settings you could normally do on your single player server. You'll notice that the ID that you find in your server description.json file in the world island ID will also match the save file ID. Then once you've edited all the settings to your liking, you'll go back to the main folder and you'll click on the StartServerForeground.bat and your server will start up. Then you'll go back into your server description file and copy that invite code and you'll paste it into the Find Servers, where you'll then click Find, you'll see your server, and then you can enter the password. Upon your first connect, you might be prompted to allow the dedicated server app through your firewall so players can connect. You can also log directly into your router to make sure that you're port forwarding the correct ports. After you've finished loading, you'll find yourself on the beach and you can begin enjoying Windrose. You can also click Escape and click Show Server Information to get your invite code and password to give to your friends.